Your drag's plenty light.
I lost control.
Jesus Christ, I like it. Oh, jump.
Like a trout.
You kidding me? It jumped out.
We'll all be stacked, so there's no other way to do this one.
Hopefully that doesn't get too close to me. I don't think it will.
We're gonna all be fairly close.
think your drag's plenty light.
I lost control.
Jesus Christ, I like it. Oh, jump.
Like a trout.
You kidding me? It jumped out of the water. I've never seen a catfish jump before.
He's pissed.
Hold on.
That's a nice one, Kurt.
Yeah, that's not bad.
You fucking
You just splashed my...
Dude,
Give me a bath. Look at that.
shit. How the hell did I have that?
Jump before.
Yep, 4-1.
Fryer.
It might work.
You keeping fish?
Yeah, probably should.
Remember one time we did a huge snag pile right here. Going halfway across the river and Dad would... It was a big tree too, and he'd go out on the...
It's not a dink.
Oh, shit.
No, he's smaller than I thought he was. Smaller than I thought. Did you swallow that, you sucker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's bigger than the last one. Which ain't saying much.
Might be the biggest one in here. A little bigger. You want the net?
There's one for your
Good eater.
stink bot.
Oh, shit.
Good, right?
Yeah. Here, Curtis, do you want to film me? This is a good one. Point up there?
Yeah. Oh crap, I got one.
Oh, hit it. I'm gonna need that net, I think. it's all current or if this fish was nice. Oh, he's nice. Get that net. Get in there, bitch.
Oh yeah, there's a good one.
Solid fish.
I might keep that one too.
Hey, you got nice eater.
Eater. Good one, right?
Oh, you got like, check out this dent. Look at that.
Turtle bite.
Wow, got like a dimple right here.
Huh.
Solid fish though.
Yeah, you did. Pretty small.
Oh my god.
Pretty tiny. That might be the smallest one.
Oh,
He ain't nothing to him.
Oh, jeez.
That might be small fish.
Oh my Lanta.
How the heck did you get that?
Nice fish there. Did you play that long?
Oh my god. Probably that log I just went through this at my line. Oh yeah.
That's a nice one.
That's a nice one. Yeah.
Well, that's your second good one.
Yeah, I think this one's slightly bigger.
It looks like it.
That one might go 3.
These
That's,
pretty good.
It just kept going.
I just kept casting.
Myself.
Good lord. I got a carbon copy.
Nice.
Thank you.
It's almost here. We're almost gone. We'll get that trout to attack you. He's trying to attack me! He's trying to attack me! That's what I said yesterday. I was laughing.
I think they really blew those suckers.
Okay. Grab one, guys. That's what I bought them for. Wide fucking loop here. You guys should have pulled that up a little bit. Let me pull it up a little bit so we can work on the boat before we crack it. hope it stays overcast.
Ain't too good.
That's the weed.
Just a wee.
There he is.
Here, Callie, take him off for me.
Trophy.
I didn't see it. Oh, there it is.
Current.
Makes him feel like a little fighter.
Yeah, he's just a little fryer.
Pick that thing up. Let's see what it looks like.
Not impressive. He's wound in the net. There you go.
Don't they carry Nile fever?
They can, yeah, some of them.
And malaria and yellow fever.
All kinds of shit. I saved you from that. You're welcome.
Another eater.
Not as big as I thought. I heard you saying, are you right? Not bad.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hold on, I'm tangled in it. There we go.
Well, that's probably 2.5 maybe.
I don't think he's the best, but
That's okay.
I'm not gonna cross your line, am I? Okay.
Got off the schneid.
Oh, what the heck? He's all wrapped up.
Yeah, I did, I think.
He's all wrapped up. You got him in the chin.
Oh. Ah, shoot.